Alright, one of the things I want to do today is I want to introduce the YouTube video editor. To learn more about the YouTube video editor, what I want you to do is go to the Moodle page, web-based applications, where we've been learning a little bit more about how we're going to be able to utilize Chromebooks. Since we're so used to Macs and we're making the switch, we want to know how we can do some of those basic things that we're so used to on Macs with our Chromebook. And one of the big concerns that a lot of students and faculty have had is video editing because we're so used to iMovie. So what are some different options we can do to edit videos? Well, one of those is the YouTube video editor. And so what we're going to do is we're going to open the tab video editing. And again, here we have the discussion board with any questions, lessons, or different topics that you want to bring up regarding video editing. I have the link to the YouTube video editor. And then also down here, you can look at the Twitter widget, the YouTube creators, which has a lot of good tips on using YouTube to edit and create videos. So what I want you to do is click on the link that says YouTube editor. What this does is it will take you to the YouTube editor page, which again is a web-based application, kind of the basis of this whole program, and it shows you all the YouTube videos that you would have made in the past. So these are all my YouTube videos that I have created, and if you don't have one, you need to make a video first. You can either record it straight to YouTube using the webcam, or you could use a flip cam or another camera and upload it to YouTube. And then you'll end up editing that video, no different than when you used iMovie. So I'm just going to use this test video that I was messing around with the other day, just to show you some of the possibilities with YouTube Video Editor. A lot of it has the same basic features as iMovie. It might be lacking a little bit of what we're used to, but you can still do a lot of cool things with it. Up here are kind of our different tools that we can do. We can select the videos that we want to put together. We can add Creative Commons videos that come from YouTube, so ones that we can put in with our own even though we didn't record them. We can add pictures, some of our own photos. We can add audio, and it has different audio choices for you to choose, transitions between videos or pictures, and then text, titles, or topics that we want to put onto our video. And it makes it very easy to use. Like you saw me do earlier, you can just drag and drop into either the video or the audio section. So for example, if I wanted to take the city skyline Creative Commons video and put it before the video that I made, I would just click, drag it down to the video section, and drop it on there. I can make it as long or as short as I want, moving the blue line. So if I wanted it to be about 5 seconds long, I could do that, and then it'll show me right here, here's the city skyline video, and then it goes right into my test video that I created. Maybe I want to put a picture before that. Again, I just drag and drop. I want the picture to maybe last for a second and a half before the city video. I'll let it load here. Shows the picture, goes into the city, and then eventually it'll go back into the video that I created. Audio, it gives you a lot of different tracks. You can choose the genre that you'd like. It has about everything. I could put some country music into my video as well. I can make that last again as long or as short as I wanted it to. So that's another nice feature. Transitions in between my slides or my pictures. If I wanted any of these, I could drag and drop wherever I wanted, and we'll see that transition from my picture into my city video. Go back to the whole video as a whole, and then titles. If I want to add a title, I can do that as well. So I'll take it back to the beginning. If I wanted to put a center title maybe at the beginning of my video, I could do that. Let's see here. Let's put this one at the end just to show you what it looks like. I can add text to that. So I can say test video. I can change the background to red. And then again, that's just a part of my video. So I'll fast forward to where that would show up. Got my music in the background playing a little bit. I have headphones on, so I'm not sure if you can hear that. And then it'll go into the text that I created. So all of these features can be added throughout. You can put the text over video, the text over pictures. It just takes some getting used to because it's different than iMovie in the fact that the layout's different. The quality might not be as good, but again, it's a free web-based application, and that's kind of what we're after. And so then when you're done with that, you just publish the video, and it goes back to your video channel or your channel. And so what I want you to do for this is just give it a try. Create a video, use a video that you've already made, and edit it using the YouTube video editor. In your video, I'd like to see you add a Creative Commons video to the one you already had, throw a picture with some audio into the video, and then put some transitions and text. So basically, I'd like you in your video use each one of these features at least once in your video, just to play with it. It doesn't have to be an award-winning production, but just add each one of these features into a video, publish it, and then upload it to our Moodle page. And I have the video assignment link right here for you. When you upload it and you used each one of the editing tools, then you will be awarded the web-based video editing badge that'll show up in your My Latest Badges folder. So try it out. If you have any questions, post those in the video editing discussion board. You could also post your video in there as well in the Lessons tab so everyone else can look at it. If you have any other video editing tools that are web-based that you'd like to add, you can put those under Tools. And when you're done and you have your badge, you can move on to any of the other topics that we have on here: presentation tools, image editing, music storage, digital gaming, or assistive technologies.